So hello friends, welcome again to our YouTube channel. So today we have come with a new HTML video, and today's topic is HTML style CSS. So what is CSS? Cascading style sheet is used to format the layout of web page. Now this program, cascading style sheet or CSS, is is to format the layout of web page. Okay, so with CSS you can control what can we do with CSS, that all are written in the next. The color, font, the size of the text, the spacing between elements, how elements are positioned and laid out, what background images or background colors are not to be used, different displays for different devices and screen sizes, and much more are included in the CSS element. So what does CSS do? I will leave this. What is use of CSS? There are major three benefits of CSS: that they solve a big problem, saves a lot of time, provide more attributes. Okay, this all was our documentation on CSS. Now let's come to the first program, that is CSS Visibility. So what is CSS Visibility? Something that can make a program or that can make a line invisible. Okay, the CSS Visibility Property is used to specify whether an element is visible or not, as I said for the. So this is our program. So I will copy this program and I will paste it in Notepad so that you guys understand better, right? So I'm copying this program. I'm trying to copy this program, right? See, the nonsense things are happening. Well, I'm trying to put the program. Okay, wait guys, wait. Where the program? Wait. Okay, this is our program. So I'm copying the program. Okay. Okay, come on. Why it's not copying today? Why it's happening? So I have copied the program finally after a lot of struggling. Oh no. Okay, I'm copying this program. Come on, man. Why it's not copying? Okay, let's try again. Not try until I finish it. Copy, Ojo, copy, please. Okay, it's done. Yes, finally it's done. I have copied the program and let's see how it works. कॉपी करने के चक्कर में भूल ही गया क्या करना पड़ेगा. So I have to save this program. So where is my file? In desktop the file is there. Come on, why this file is not opening now? Okay, I have opened the file. Now let's name this file 1.html, as it is our first program. So I have saved the program and now let's have a look on this program. So here is my file, as you can see, HTML file. So here is the web page. So as you can see, this is our first program. So let us compare with the syntax. First, as you know, we have to use head tag under HTML tag. Then I've started with style tag, and under style tag I've written that h1 in heading visibility, which should be visible, means first heading should be visible. So as you can see in body I've written heading class visible, I am visible. So I have written in the style tag that first thing should be visibility visible, means the syntax is written as visible, and the second heading hidden, right? Visibility hidden. So you have to write the syntax like this. Okay, so and under body tag I have written h1 tag hidden, I am invisible. Now as you can see, the thing which is written I am visible and in quotation which is visible written, the thing is shown over here. But when you see the in class in quotation hidden is written, I am invisible is not showing over here, right? So this, but it's leaving the space for that program. So if I in place of hidden, if I write visible, right, then let's see what the program shows, right? So let me cut this and let me write visible. Okay, so I've written visible. Now let's save the program and let's see what happens. So I've saved the program, right? Now see, I am invisible also shown, means the program here used is hidden. Okay, there are only two syntax that are visible and hidden. So this was all about first program, right? It was very easy and it was a bit interesting also. So we are going to the next program, that is let's see. This was CSS Visibility, and the next program is about background color. As you can see, background color is written. So let's see this program. So I'm copying this program. Please copy. Okay, I've copied the program. Now I've copied the program. Now I will save this program in the Notepad++. So here is the program. So 2.html I have written and I have saved this. Now let's open our file. So here's our file. So here is the program. So as you can see, guys, this is our output. In the output it's showing the background blue, powder blue, and the heading is blue color and the para is red color. So what I've used, it's very simple. It's just the uses of colors. So in under style tag you have to write body background color in quotation powder blue, okay, colon powder blue. Then in heading then you have to choose the heading color. In bracket, under bracket you have to write it, and I have written it blue, and the paragraph is red, right? And then on the body tag we are writing this is I think this is a paragraph, right? So it was a very easy program, right? So do you guys have any doubt? I think no, you're not having. So this was all about second program. So guys, for today only this much. We have done 2 programs today, and those were very easy programs. So I hope you all guys have understand. Okay, stay tuned for the videos. I will be coming back very soon with more HTML videos, right? So bye bye.